Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix Frigidaire refrigerator display panel not working. The panel may be off lot when a power issue or a faulty control board. Follow these steps to fix it. Step number 1, power check. Make sure the refrigerator is plugged in. Check the outlet with another device. Check the circuit breaker or fuse. Step 2, panel lock check. The display may be locked. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Then simply unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. Wait at least 5 minutes. Then plug it back. Check the display. Step 4, Chef bath mode check. If chef bath mode is on, the display will be blank. Press and hold chef bath for 3 seconds. Step 5, check door switches. If a door switch is stuck or damaged, the display may not work. Open and close the door. Make sure the switch is clipped. Then go to the simply step 6, factory reset. Press and hold the fridge boost and Fahrenheit Celsius button together for 5 seconds. Then step 7, check for power surge. Power surge can cause the display to stop working. Try plugging the fridge into a surge protector. If the display returns, you may need a surge protector. And step 8 are when to check the control board. If none of the above steps work, the display or control board may be faulty. Look for burn marks, unusual smell or loose connection. The control board may need replacement. If it is not still working, if the display is still not working after trying all these steps, the control board may be defective, the display panel may be faulty. Contact Frigidaire support or a qualified appliance technician. You can simply call on this number and go to their official website for more customer support help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.